your fast, you find pleasure. Exploit your labor. Say, take a line, approach your God. Oh, I'm fasting, you say, not enough sin. Life afflicted your souls, take no notice. Track the day of your fast, you find pleasure. Exploit your labor. Eat you fast for strife and debate. You strike with the fist of wickedness.